Good morning, all. I'm Nikita Joy from CSC. Today, I'm presenting about the topic quantum computing. It is an emerging field of computer science harnessing the unique qualities of quantum mechanics to solve problems beyond the ability of the most powerful classical computers. What are the fundamentals of quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics is a fundamental theory in physics that describes the physical properties of nature at the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. Quantum phenomena. It explains phenomena such as superposition, entanglement, and quantum tunneling, which are unlike anything observed in the classical world. What is qubits and quantum superposition? The state of possibility that's available to qubits is called superposition, where super means many and position means possibilities. A traditional bit can be either 0 or 1. A qubit in a state of superposition does not have a defined value because it holds many potential values at the same time. What is quantum entanglement and parallelism? In quantum computing, the entanglement of each additional qubit exponentially grows the state space. The application of even one single qubit operation on any of those entangled qubits can affect the entire state space in a kind of massive quantum parallelism. Quantum algorithm advantages. Quantum algorithms such as Shor's algorithm can factor large numbers exponentially faster than the best known classical algorithms. This advantage has deep implication for fields like cryptography, where the ability to quickly factor large numbers could potentially break current encryption methods. Current quantum computing landscape. Research. Active research in quantum computing is ongoing with significant advancements being made every year. Development. Several companies are developing quantum computers with a focus on improving qubit stability and coherence times. Applications. Practical applications of quantum computing are still in their early stages, but progress is being made in various fields. There are two practical applications of quantum computing: medicine and material science. In medicine, drug discovery and personalized medicine are areas where quantum computing can have a significant impact. Material science. Quantum computing can accelerate the design of new materials with desired properties. The future of quantum computing: scalability, error correction, and applications. This is all about my topic quantum computing. Thank you all.